Hello viewers, my name is CG. I'm the AGM for Audi Hyderabad. So today you are seeing an all new A3 Cabriolet. So ఈ కార్ రీసెంట్లీ మేము లాంచ్ చేశాము. సో దిట్స్ బేసికలీ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ కార్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆడి స్టెబుల్. సో విచ్ ఇస్ అ పెట్రోల్ ఇంజన్. దీంట్లో 1.8 లీటర్ పెట్రోల్ ఇంజన్ దీంట్లో కార్లో. సో బేసికలీ యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ అ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ కార్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ modern lifestyle ఎవరైతే ఉంటున్నారో గుడ్ ఫ్యామిలీ విత్ లెట్స్ సే two kids, so a rich couple, so no, it's actually for people who wants their lifestyle to be slightly high. So if you see this మా దగ్గర రెగ్యులర్ A3 కార్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ బేసికలీ we call it as A3 Cabriolet. So it's an imported car basically. Coming to the specification of this car, as I said, this is a 1.8 liter petrol engine which is delivering 180 bhp, and it has got a 7-speed S-tronic transmission, so which is a very peppy transmission for a car like this. It's just not only the design which is sporty, even the drive is also absolutely thrilling. So if you see this car, the best part of this car, obviously it's a cabriolet. So that means the opening of the hood is completely automatic, which is done, which is less than 18 seconds. It automatically gets folded. So if you can just see, I'll just do this. So this can be done even while driving, which is a maximum speed of 50. So within a speed of 50, you can open this and close, which gets completely closed less than 18 seconds. From ages, it's known like convertible car. A car which is with open top is known for a premium. So a car like this, compact yet with the convertible option, is absolutely a car which is for a perfect lifestyle to be shown. Okay, coming to the interiors, we have a multimedia interface screen which is called MMI screen, which opens up the minute you start the car, on which you can see all the features of this, right from the media to the navigation. Then we have even including the rear view camera. And coming to the air vents of this car, it's all like it's inspired by the new TT, which is air turbulent design. And as I said, the transmission in this car is an S-tronic transmission, which is a very sporty transmission of Audi. And the touch and feel, as known, Audi is known for the interior quality and the material what we use. So we have a lot of color options as well, exterior and interior. This car is, you can see, it's a grey color with a brown interior. You have an option of even choosing brown, beige and a black for the interior. And if you see in the rear seat, it's a 2-door car with 2 seats in the rear. I should say, it's perfect for a small family with 2 kids.